Kicking Horse Canyon has a reputation as one of the most beautiful and also most dangerous drives in Canada. With over 100 accidents per year, it was clear that the highway needed to be upgraded. With combined provincial and federal efforts, a 4-stage plan was set. Phases 1 through 3 were completed by 2013, but there was a delay in starting Phase 4, the most dangerous section of the pass. It finally got underway in early 2021 and was finally completed just a short time ago in spring of 2024. In a lucky twist of fate, one of my former colleagues captured video driving through what would become Phase 4 of the Kicking Horse project in 2017. Let's take a look at the amazing differences in the highways between 2017 and 2024. The hairpin corner we are approaching now, I consider to be one of the most dangerous corners on this stretch of the Kicking Horse Pass. The corner itself has barely enough room for two semis to pass each other at the same time. So this section along here, there are quite a few curves. Single lane, as you can see. There's rock buildup and everything on the right-hand side. Nice sharp cliff with rockfall netting set up. So the corners aren't that bad through here. Speed limit's still pretty low. So coming up here is where they did the rock cut to eliminate this corner coming around here. Pretty well, they straightened out this entire section through here. You can see it's pretty curvy. I found it to be quite dangerous in the wintertime to drive through here. I was noticing on the side there was a sign saying 4-lane twinning, Golden to Portal. So these corners were eliminated with a bridge. This here was all straightened out. And now we're coming up to the end of it. Okay, so that was a look at the highway from 2017. Now let's take a look at the highway in 2024. As you can see, coming up the hill here, it's all nice 4-lane highway, no post in the center. Speed limit's 100 kilometers an hour going up this hill. When they trimmed the other side of the highway, there's sections through there that they used viaduct to widen the highway. So we're coming up to the top of the hill. No more going into single lane. Crossing over another viaduct here that they built. So to the right here, you can see where the old highway used to go, where the hairpin corner was. It's completely eliminated now. You can still see a little bit of the height of the old road. They lowered the road down through here. And what we're driving on right now, they actually cut this down about 30 feet. The eastbound side is pretty well all viaduct, right from Portal to where the hairpin was, where they had a bridge. There is a couple more bridges coming up here. So this is where the rock cut is where I was talking about in the previous video. You can see on the left-hand side there where the highway went around the rock on the left. And then here on the right, the highway looped into that little curve there. So they pretty well straightened this entire section of the highway out. Right now we're going over some viaduct bridges. I can't tell from my viewpoint right now. I believe this was a bridge where they had eliminated the curve that I had talked about earlier. It was hard to tell from my viewpoint where the bridges and viaducts were. Anyways, so we're coming up to the end here. This is where the portal is, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. See you in the next video.